I still got my sweater and my work shirt on. Of course, my age, I don't get warm so fast. I will put that in there. Okay, let's see. I think
I started that pile over there.
I think, yeah, let's pull all the rest of that way. What do you think?
Cool.
Okay.
Careful, don't trip.
I'm pretty careful. I don't want to fall, so I pay attention.
Another straggler.
Well, that's because I came out and pruned some stuff off a week and a half ago.
Yeah.
I didn't pick up
I'm gonna move that rock out of the way.
Okay. That's all right. Whatever needs to be done.
Oh.
You don't want to pull that up.
Yeah, true.
That's probably why the rock was there. He was holding it down.
Yeah.
But that's all right. We'll just rolling back over it.
You got the rock?
Yeah.
Here. You got her?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
Good. That's good.
Couple of them stragglers, huh?
Yeah, a couple places I didn't get them bruised.
Yeah.
I'll get my shears to cut it off. Because they kind of
Yeah. You know what fries are called on the bottom half of the bag is baglers.
Yeah.
There's actually a good way to eat them. Is if you're left with the bag full of food and there's fries on the bottom, you get lucky.
We'll get a pretty nice pile there.
Last couple weekends I had to pull out help a guy out with a wild rose bush.
Those can be nasty.
Yeah, I got cut up a little bit, but he got cut up really bad. This is one heck of an exercise. I never do a property this size before. And that's what it's Raymond Downey.
Yeah?
Yeah, he lives on the other side of this ridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, he hired me to do his duplexes that he owns. Yeah, 3 years ago he hired me to do a job for him. Careful, don't back up into the rock.
Okay.
I just don't want you to fall.
Well,
I'm more worried about you falling and him falling into that ditch. It's like, dude.
No, they're not going to fall in the ditch. That's one thing for sure.
Yeah, and also me falling is like worse.
Well, yeah, we don't want you falling while you're working there.
Yeah.
We don't want you falling anytime.
Yeah, that means if I had broken something, I would end up in the hospital.
Well, you certainly have to get patched up.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys helped me out, and I decided to help you guys out too, so.
We appreciate it.
No problem.